Ye nu na mo ji visa na ma igbo mo gbe ahobe. No nya ji o mi ku kan anyine maliu. Fufu chamaliu, to na to chamaliu. Ye ma bana ya panya lagba kwa mo ji o no ma. Ye mo ji vio no ma. Be mo ku gbare gba no wanye di. Abe kofi ashile nu ajolo.
Ata iye be ado kwa mi da sinchi bodo yonu kwa ada kamo le mi asio kwa ada kwa mi ko kamili nde kamo jole mi aji ucholi ni nde kamo jole mi aji tamili ni do ta to suku no view po na view choji do cha mo wu na mi du na nu di na podo
ogo glombe so no we from mo jifi wo yo tubo mo pono oji no ya sigba wada anu runa you tell me do avio to duna so to duna nu yo to duna nu bi to duna nu no ya sigba kwa na mo du kwa to duna egbe ma bojo o fun lo ila fe mo
Meet Toby Kofi Asilenu and his entire family. Biologically, Toby Asilenu has 100 children and still counting. 1, 2, 3. Save your breath. You may lose count because even his children believe they may be more than 100. Everyone in the village of Amakrom knows Toby Asilenu because he has a unique family. He prides himself in being a father and tells me he won't give up having children even until his last breath.
In fact, we were plenty. We were almost 100 and something. And plenty wives and kind of children. So we are here without any problem.
He has over 100 children. What number are you? I can't remember.
His youngest child is around 1 year and the oldest over 40 years. With over 100 children, does he know all by name? I put the test to him.
Ablavi Ashilenu, Yauga Ashilenu, Anga Ahosu Ashilenu, Sojidi Ashilenu. Boy.
I was told he even at a point mistakenly proposed marriage to his daughter.
Oh yeah.
Tell us about that.
Oh, when I met the lady and he said he loved the lady said his daughter to him. So he said his eyes worrying him. That's why that thing happened.
I'm sure you people laughed over it.
Yeah, we laugh a lot.
One of his wives, Nayume Asilenu, told me the entire family gets along well as theirs is based on mutual respect. His first wife, although unhappy with his adventures and exploits with other women, says she treats his children like hers. Despite several complaints, he still went ahead and added more women. We all live together in peace with our children. Toby Asilenu tells me he has not stopped looking for a new wife. He believes in multiplying to fill the earth.
If I get a lady today, I'll marry her and have more children. As for men, even in old age, we can still father children. I'm not impotent.
He's a farmer and processes cassava into dough, a business which he has employed some of his wives and children. Despite being a large family and having over 100 children, he has succeeded in educating them.
It helped me from infancy up to SS level before I joined police service. So he also tried a little bit for me.
I wish you a Father's Day. Thank you for taking care of me.
Toby Asilenu and his family had a message for all fathers. Happy Father's Day! Poshegabo, TV3.